from SPA Technical Advisors, Pune. We are going to see a new presentation, Get Heat Energy for almost free of cost. Switch over to green technology. Invest once and get heat energy for free within a maximum period of 4.5 years for lifetime. Yes, it's not a joke. Review this case study and judge. Solar concentrators engineered for industrial applications now in India for adhesive tape plants, flexural laminates, paper industry, and rubber industry. Parabolic Tap Operating Principle 1 is brought to you by Soldicia, Italy. We have a tap with them. Sun rays are concentrated on the receiver tube where the circulating fluid is heated. So the circulated parabolic tube operating principle 2. The collectors track the sun throughout the day to heat the fluid. Collectors engineer for smaller. These are some more details about the same. New opportunities for solar company profile. It's a collaboration with an MNC develop solutions for process heat which are environmentally friendly, economically attractive based on solar energy. Distinguishing feature is in its products technical excellence, PTM or PTMX series or FTM series. The only company offering both the technologies. Quality and reliability are proven by PTM certification up to 1250 degrees centigrade. World-class advanced engineering capabilities, 3D modeling and FEM calculations are used to ensure compliance through internal PTMX product features, fully automatic PLC controlled modular design, high performance receivers, weather resistant tempered glass mirrors, sun tracking drive and motor, hot dip galvanizing frame, fluid hot water up to 110 degrees centigrade or thermic oil up to 250 degrees centigrade, working pressure up to 10 bar, electric panel at 230 volt. Best in class performance. PTMX assembly concept is as follows. PTMX product range and capacity is as follows. PTMX unique value proportion is as follows. PMX Unix value proportion as for project examples. Solar cooling, process steam, process stream PI diagram, solar field, the instigation equipments, solar energy in India, a gift by the sunshine is largely available. Solar energy is cheaper than any other fuel. Over system lifetime, solar energy is much cheaper than any fuel as only regular maintenance is required is case study. Process requirement, process fluid, thermic oil, oil temperature required maximum 180 degrees centigrade, working profile 20. These are some details here. Some more, few more. Dear friends, what for you're waiting? Rush in with your requirements. For more information, contact on our website. You can write to me on my email. You can write to me on my personal mail. You can contact me on my cell phones or on Skype. If you like it, be sure to pin it, like us on Facebook, on Instagram. Please share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, G+, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Please subscribe on YouTube. Namaskar. Thank you very much.